अविरोधितया कर्म नाविद्यां विनिवर्तयेत् विद्या विद्यां निहन्त्येव तेजस्तिमिरसङ्घवत् परिच्छिन्न इवा ज्ञानात् तन्नाशे सति केवलः स्वयं प्रकाशते ह्यात्मा मेघापायेंशुमानिव अज्ञानकलुषं जीवम् ज्ञानाभ्यासाद्विनिर्मलम् कृत्वा ज्ञानं स्वयं नश्येत् जलं कतकरेणुवत् Up to this shloka, Shankaracharya has given the main theme of Vedanta, Sankshepataha. And from this 6th shloka onwards, this Sankshepa Vedanta alone is going to be elaborately discussed. And what is the essence of these 5 verses? The essence is this, that I, by my own nature, am Purnaha Brahma Asmi. This is an eternal fact. Aham Purnam Brahma Asmi. Now I have got the problem of ignorance, ajnanam, and because of this ajnanam, I feel aham apurnaha asmi. As apurnaha, I am called jiva. So aham purnam brahma asmi is the fact. Because of this ignorance, the fact has been reversed, and the present position is aham apurnaha jiva. Purnam solrate Brahman podnam, apurnaha solrate jivaha podnam. Jivaha junna samsari nartham. And if aham apurnaha jivaha have to be reconverted back, and if I have to attain my original glory, I have to remove ajnanam. This is Vedanta. Jnanena ajnana nivritya brahmatva praptihi. Vedantam valoda. And of course, for gaining this knowledge, tapobihi, kshinapapanam, shantanam, vitaraginam, this jnanam requires the preparation of viveka, vairagya, shatka sampattihi, mumukshutvam. This is the essence. Now, this idea is going to be elaborated in the following shlokas. number 6. Samsara swapna tulyo hi ragadveshadi sankulaha svakale satyavad bhati prabodhe satya sadbhavet. So we saw that Aham, Purnam Brahma have become Apurna Jivaha because of Ajnana. In what way Ajnanam creates problem for us, that we are going to analyze. What is the job of Ajnanam? What is the function of Ajnanam? What is the mischief done by Ajnanam? This Ajnanam itself is known in Vedanta by different names. One name is Moola Vidya. This Ajnanam is known by another name, Moola Vidya. Moola plus Avidya. Moola Vidya kadayadu. Adha namukku illiye po. So, Moola plus Avidya. Moola Avidya. And another name for this Moola Vidya or Ajnanam is Maya. So that's three names: Ajnanam, Moola Avidya or Maya. And this Ajnanam, Moola Vidya or Maya has got two powers known as Vikshepa Shakti and Avarana Shakti. Vikshepa Shakti means creative power. Vikshepaha means to throw out, to expand. And Avarana Shakti means deluding power, literally covering power, veiling power. Kangatti Vidya illan solluva. So it has got the power of veiling. Veiling, covering, veiling, edavadhu spelling pota problem. So, V-E-I-L podna. Illina C-O-V-E-R, safe. Of course, it gives veiling power, W-E-I-L. And later, apparam varaporthu. Modalla it is veiling. Vikshepa Shakti and Avarana Shakti. If you want to get some more information, Vikshepa Shakti is because of its Rajoguna, Avarana Shakti is because of Tamoguna. That is incidental. It has got creative power and veiling power. And because of this Vikshepa Shakti, the Ajnanam creates the vast universe. And what type of universe? Not a real universe. That's why we have called it Maya. Maya Shunale, just as a magician with his Indrajal, Surkar Padranalyo. So Indrajal, just as he creates an illusion of the Sputnik and all other things. Similarly, here also Maya creates the Dvaita Prapanchaha, the Samsaraha, the world consisting of things and beings, including our own body and mind. And this false creation alone is technically called as adhyasaha. So this false creation, projection alone is called adhyasaha. Thus ajnanam or mula vidya or maya with its vikshepa shakti creates this wonderful world of duality which is false. And even though this Maya creates this world, it being unreal or mithya, really it cannot affect me at all. Because I, the Atma, the Purnam Brahma or Satyam, the real, and I, the real Atma, cannot be affected by the unreal world created by this Maya. And Shankaracharya will give an example, just as the waker is not affected by the apparent dream world created by Nidra. Anga Maya solanam, inga Nidra solanam. So I, the waker, am not affected by the dream world, the apparent dream world created by my Nidra. My means waker's Nidra. Similarly, I am Brahman and I have this Maya, and the Maya has got the Vikshepa Shakti. And the Vikshepa Shakti has created this wonderful universe, including my own body and mind. All bodies, including this particular body. Therefore, normally, what should I be doing? I should tell everyone, see my glory, Maya Shakti, Maya Kalpita, Desha Kala Kalana Vaichitya Chitri Kritam. I have created this vast universe. I have created all the bodies. I have created my own body, and I am making use of this body and doing a lecture. I create students and I become a teacher, and then I do all kinds of mischief. Ippadi sollindirkanam. This must be the normal thing. But what happens? Maya has got the second power. What is that? Avarana Shakti, deluding power, covering power, confusing power. Tribhir gunamayair bhavair ebhis sarvamidam jagat mohitam na abhijanati. And therefore what happens? After this creation of the world, including my body, the Avarana Shakti comes into power. And therefore, instead of knowing that I am the creator, the subject, the adhishthanam, and the world is something created, false, adhyastam, I do not know that. And not knowing this differentiation, Atma and Anatma, Brahman and Abrahma, Aham and Idam, Idagam Sarvam Asrijata. I am the Srashta. All these things are created. The Srashtr, Srishta, Vivekaha, Nasti. and I get confused between myself and my created equipment. And therefore, because of the confusion, instead of saying the body is created, the janma of the body, the limitations of the body, the vikarams of the body, I again superimpose upon myself. This is the second adhyasa. So, two adhyasams take place. The first adhyasam is what? Creation of the world. Prapancha Srishti is the first adhyasam. Adhyasam na superimposition, projection. In Sanskrit we call it Prathamika Adhyasa, primary superimposition. Before primary superimposition, what was there? Atma, I alone was there. And after primary superimposition takes place, Anatma Prapancha is created, including Anatma the Shariram. Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetramityabhidhiyate. So thus, creation of Anatma is called Prathamika Adhyasa. And this is done by whom? Maya. Which power of Maya? Vikshepa Shakti of Maya. I hope you have no Avarana Shakti now. So therefore, the Vikshepa Shakti of Maya brings out the Prathamika Adhyasa of Shariram. And then what happened? Relay race. Vikshepa Shakti poidum it has taken rest. And now comes Avarana Shakti of Maya. And what is its job? Creating a confusion between Atma and Anatma. I take the Anatma Dharma and superimpose upon Atma. And this adhyasam is called what? Secondary adhyasam. Dvitiya adhyasa. Previous one is Prathama adhyasa, creation of body. And what is the second adhyasa? Body created, purinjikondidane? No. That created body I take to be myself, who am not created, but who am the creator. Mayyeva sakalam jatam, mayi sarvam pratishthitam, mayi sarvam layam yati. This is called Atma Anatma Avivekaha. Anatmani Atma Dharma Adhyasaha, Atmani Anatma Dharma Adhyasaha, Anyonyasmin Anyonyatmakatam Anyonya Dharmamscha Adhyasya Itaretara Avivekena Ahamidam Mamedamiti. This is called secondary adhyasa. Srishti is primary adhyasa. Confusion is secondary adhyasa. And as long as the ignorance continues, the confusion between Atma and Anatma will continue. And what type of confusion? The confusion is twofold. Anatma Prapancha is there, it is Savikaram. Savikaram means what? Subject to change, asti, jayate, vardhate, etc. That Savikaratvam, the changing nature of Anatma, I superimpose on myself and I say Aham Jataha. aham mritaha அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். aham marishye, I will die, I am dying, I am growing old. All these are what? Anatmanaha savikaratvam atmani adhyasya aham savikari iti buddhim janayati. So anatmavula உள்ளது ஆத்மாவுல போட்டாச்சு. And not only that, there is justice also done. இதிலேந்து கொஞ்சம் வாங்கினா barter, அங்கேந்து கொஞ்சம் வாங்கினா இங்கேந்து கொஞ்சம் அங்க போடணும் இல்லையா? Similarly, what do I do? This anatma prapancham is satyam or mithya? Mithya. Sandeham liye. Maya janyatvat mithya. And who am I, satyam or mithya? I am satyam. This satyatvam which belongs to me, the Atma, Aham, this satyatvam is superimposed upon Anatma, the Prapancha, the Shariram. Therefore, I have become Savikaraha and the world has become what? World has become Satyam now because of the transference of the Satyatvam of mind to the world. This is what is known as Anyonya Adhyasaha. This is caused by what? Which power? Avarana Shakti. Vikshepa Shakti doesn't create Anyonya Adhyasa because rendu kadayave kadayadu. Vikshepa Shakti creates the second world in addition to Atma. Avarana Shakti only creates the Anyonya Adhyasa. Of these two, we have to destroy what? Our attempt in spiritual sadhana is only taking care of Avarana Shakti. We don't want to do anything to Vikshepa Shakti. Avarana Shakti means what? Anyonya Adhyasaha. அதுக்கு பிறகுதான் தூலா வித்யா அன்னைக்கு சொன்னேன். மூலா வித்யா, தூலா அத்யா. மூலா வித்யா is பிராதமிக அத்தியாசா. Thula vidya is dvitiya adhyasaha. And by Atma Jnanam, what am I doing? This Thula vidya, this confusion between Atma and Anatma is sorted out. And once this confusion is sorted out, what do? What belongs to Anatma, I give to Anatma. What belongs to Atma, I give to Atma. Give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Now when I say I am changing, the savikaritvam that I take to myself really do not belong to me. It belongs to what? The Anatma. Therefore, I should know that all the changes belong to Anatma. Therefore, Shariram Parinamate. But Aham na jaye mriyeva kadachit nayam bhutva bhavita vana bhuyaha ajo nitya shashvatoyam puranaha na hanye hanyamane sharir. Ella prathama uttama purushala maathikinathradha. Aham nirvikaraha anatma savikaraha. அப்போ இங்கேந்து இருக்கிற விகாரத்தை எடுத்து அனாத்மாவுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டோம். உனக்கு வச்சுக்கோ, உனக்கே வச்சுக்கோ. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்றோம்? In the anatma we have got what buddhi? The satyatvam of the atma has been given to the anatma. அதை என்ன பண்ணிடுறோம்? We quietly pluck away. The satyatvam belong to anatma, belonging to anatma, the world, and that I take to myself. Aham satyam. ஜகன் மித்யா. அதுதான் அகம் பிரம்மங்கிறோம். அகம் பிரம்ம பூர்ணஹ சத்யம் அஸ்மி ஜகத் மித்யா அஸ்தி. And once I have sorted out Avarana Shakti is there or not, Avarana Shakti is no more, I have tackled Avarana Shakti. Now the question is, will the world continue or not? That's the question. Will the world continue or not? The world will stop only when Vikshepa Shakti is tackled. Our Atma Jnanam does not do anything to Vikshepa Shakti. Therefore, Vikshepa Shakti will continue, and therefore world will continue. Therefore, Shariram will continue. Of course I will continue. Continue. So I will also continue. So Atma will continue, Anatma will continue. Why? Vikshepa Shakti continues throughout. Okay? If Atma and Anatma both continues, then how can Advaitam be there? Aham kevalaha katham bhavami. Suppose somebody asks, even after Atma Jnanam, I, the Atma, continues, world, the Anatma, continues. Why? Vikshepa Shakti is not destroyed. If both of them continue, won't there be Dvaitam? அதுக்கு என்ன பதில் சொல்றது? Won't there be Dvaitam? You feel like saying Dvaitam is there. Remember, once Avarana Shakti is gone, that is, Ajnanam is sorted out, what happens? Anatma will continue, but it will no more continue as Satya Anatma. It will continue as what? Mithya Anatma. And I will be what? Satyam. Therefore, let the Vikshepa Shakti continue. Let the Anatma continue. Let the world continue. Once I know it is Mithya, thereafterwards it is as good as not there. And therefore, Dvitiya Adhyasa alone we destroy. The Prathama Adhyasa we are not destroying. What we are doing? Prathama Adhyasa we are falsifying. The first Adhyasa of world will continue, but it is falsified as Mithya. Whereas Dvitiya Adhyasa does not continue. If Dvitiya Adhyasa continues, what will happen? The world will be taken as Satyam. Once the Dvitiya Adhyasa is gone, world will not have Satyatvam, I will not have Vikaritvam. Vikaritvam given to the world, Satyatvam comes to me. In this internal exchange, samsara is gone. This is the essence of the following teaching. Now let us go to the sloka. Samsaraha swapnatulyaha. Samsaraha means prapanchaha. Samsriyate asmin iti samsaraha. The place in which we travel from one place to another. Madras to Srishailam, Srishailam to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Secondra, whatever it might be, the place in which one travels, not only Manushya travels during one Janma, after death the Jiva travels from one loka to another. This whole universe wherein jiva moves is called samsara. Saptami Vipatti. Samsarati asminniti or samsriyate asminniti. And what is the nature of this samsara? Swapna tulyaha. It is similar to swapnaha. Swapnaha nanartham mithya. Yatha swapnaha mithya. Evam prapanchaha api mithya eva. Once it is known as mithya, you should understand it is the projection of ajnanam or maya. Yad mithya tat ajnana janyam iti vyaptehe. Whatever is mithya, that must be ajnana janyam. Like our sarpaha. Our sarpana purinjungo. So therefore, like our snake, it is mithya only if it is born out of ignorance. Don't go on saying every snake is mithya.